What a wonderful sight of that sunset we can see from this train. How that the huge and red in color. It sits in that west side. What a wonderful and natural phenomena, flora is in that place. The sun is going to disappear from our sight. It will come tomorrow by 6 o'clock to illuminate this India and many more countries. It will going to illuminate that American countries, European countries will be illuminated. European people is turning, is started to get up, from bed to for that to work. But Indian people is moving towards their house and bed house, and after taking dinner they will go to take rest during this task hour. Here in India it is a task hour, the sunset hour. It is in America and European countries is that dawn and sunrise are dawn and early morning. In America, European countries is that before 4 o'clock they will going to enjoy this and warm and fraternity and warm and the brightness of the sun in that area. Whether two suns are there and the same sun will illuminate that side or no not. Some of the doubt is that this sun is get into the depth of that and ocean. So after it is rejuvenated its energy with the fresh condition, that it will come tomorrow the morning. And another sun is, I think there is plenty of millions of sun is in this world. And even that China people is going to and manufacturing artificial sun, because some of the concept is there for the sun will lose its life. The world will be impressed with darkness. That's why there is some information out here for making artificial the sun in that absence of the natural sun, the center of this solar system, and artificial things. But Indians are not making any